and there's still more in there. High drive, right field. How far will it go? Bellinger down the right field line. If it stays fair, it's gone. His second home run tonight.
Payoff pitch. Bellinger swings. Towering drive. Right center field. That is long gone. Bumgarner's 1-0. Bellinger swings. High drive. Center field. Hit the wall. Grand slam. Cody Bellinger. Bellinger unloads to right field. That ball is gone.
And it is spectacular.
Oh,
as was that swing by Cody Bellinger. Santa Maria!
Cody Bellinger coming up. High drive, forget about it. How far for Bellinger? A missile to put him in front. Swings away, hits a towering drive down the line. If it's fair, it's gone. So long, Cody Bellinger. Here it comes. He swings, launches a ball to right center, and guess who? Bellinger breaks the scoreless tie in the sixth. Bellinger turns on a ball to right field and deep.